It's Christmas time again. At the end of the year, it's time to review the goals and results from your personal list and perhaps make a new one. Time to check what you planned, to see what you did, and to plan what you are going to do during the next year. Okay, let's see what I planned previously. I shall not waste more money buying useless stuff. Seriously. Well, I shall waste more money buying more knives, more stones, and more tools. What? Read 100 books? Who wrote that? Read more hints and tips about sharpening on Reddit. Right. Start jogging in the morning. Are you sure this is the right list? Well, participate in more giveaways from TS Prof. That's more like it. Save enough to buy KO3 Pro. Just buy TS Prof Pioneer. Did that. Improve my communication? Communication with whom? Improve my sharpening skills. Meditate. Meditate every time I want to buy a knife. Try something new every day. Well, try to sharpen something new every day. Talk to your friends more often to share good news. Good news? 2023? You bet. Talk to your friends more often to share some good sharpening results. They'll appreciate it. At least one of them. Stop being a perfectionist. Stop being who? Never stop being a perfectionist about your knives and tools. Start my own business? Right. Start my own sharpening business. Yeah. I don't like the name. To-do list for the next Christmas. I guess the point is not to write the list, but simply to do what you really like. Merry Christmas, everyone. Subscribe, like, see you in the comments. Do what you really like. Stay sharp.